deeply, deeply grateful. I have my sign on here saying how grateful I am. Oregon After School for Kids is a collaboration of both state agencies and statewide associations that have an interest in providing expanded learning opportunities to children and youth throughout Oregon. And we are here today to tell our legislators the importance and the value of the things that happen when school is not in session. So after school and summer makes a difference to kids. Today I have Dr. Hilda Roselli here from the Oregon Education Investment Board to talk. And then Mayor Kitty Piercy from Eugene is here to also speak. And then we have a student who is the Student of the Year from the Boys and Girls Club. And she will also speak. And then we're going to go outside because we thought it was going to rain. They said 80%. So we brought everything inside. So we're going to go outside. We've got some student performances. So I'm going to hand this over to Dr. Roselli and have her speak for a minute. And we appreciate you coming.
Well, thank you so much. I don't know about you, but I learned some things just walking around and visiting with all of the different displays. And I have to tell you, in my life prior to this year, over at Western Oregon University, we were so excited about after-school programs that we could hook up with as a university because we saw it as an opportunity for our students who were going to become educators to be also engaged with students in after-school and summer programs. So I'm so excited to see some of them here. And I just have to tell you that we believe so much in the initiatives that are represented here today. We know that it takes an entire community for us to achieve some of the goals that have been laid out for us here by our governor, Governor John Kitzhaber, and by the Oregon Education Investment Board. And we know that it's going to take all of us working together to help support learners, not just during the school day, but after school and as well as in summertime. I have to also stop and tell you that for 12 years, I ran 2-week residential summer programs for middle school and high school students. That may be why I have some gray hairs, but it was a wonderful experience, and we learned so much, and I still stay in touch with some of those students. The relationships that you build outside of school are equally important. The research is so clear on this matter that it really doesn't take anybody to question this work, because we know that this after-school and summer programs impact academics for students, and they impact so many other aspects. We know that it can look at, it makes an impact on school attendance, grades, their interactions with their teachers, and also even the dropout rates that we know are stopped when students, or at least addressed when students make that connection with a caring adult in the community that talks with them and coaches them and keeps them on track. We also know that after-school and summer programs help us reduce juvenile crime, build healthy relationships between adults and youth, and create wonderfully safe environments for all students when they are not in the school settings. Initiatives like the Oregon Ask exemplify the very type of collaboration that we are looking for, that involves public and private and community organizations all working together wisely, smartly, with limited resources, and with the passion that we all share around supporting areas of early literacy, the arts, STEM, connections to the world of work, and post-secondary aspirations. Together, our work can impact even more students in Oregon who will benefit from these kinds of programs and will lead to positive youth outcomes and goals that we all hold true. It's an honor to be here today, and I want to particularly congratulate our students who are here demonstrating the skills that they are learning every single time they're participating in a program like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I think